okay. I smell something fruity. What's that? Is that?
I don't know. Probably my Pepsi or something.
Okay.
I take, I am a law student for one, and two, I just don't take tests. I will file a complaint.
I've never been disrespectful to you.
Sir, you are being very
This
disrespectful.
is all recorded on body.
This police officer stops this man in the parking lot of a Burger King and tells him that one of his headlights isn't working. The man explains that he just comes out to grab some dinner. As the officer leans closer, he smells something fruity and starts thinking it might be alcohol. The driver quickly denies it, saying it's just his Pepsi and that his eyes look watery because of allergies. The officer keeps pressing, asking him to take a sobriety test to prove he's okay to drive. The man refuses politely but firmly, saying he's a law student and knows his rights. The officer doesn't step back, his tone getting sharper as the quiet parking lot fills with flashing red and blue lights.
How you doing, sir?
Hi, how are you?
Sergeant McLean with the Seneca Falls Police. Pulled you over because you have a headlight out in your vehicle?
I was actually wondering that because it was a little like, it wasn't lit up 100%.
Gotcha, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have a license on you?
I do, yes, sir.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I'm actually just coming from my house to here to get some dinner.
Okay. Everything valid on your license?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Okay. How many alcoholic beverages you had tonight?
No.
Nothing?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I was going to get that.
Oh, I thought you were handing that to me.
Oh, no.
Okay. All right. You have the registration for the vehicle?
You know what? I mean, it's legit. I just don't have it in here.
Okay. Is the car registered to you?
I think it's my girlfriend, Jennifer.
Okay. Just want to
it's one or the other.
Okay. Just want to turn the car on real fast to see, just to verify the headlight is still off. You just stay in the car. Just let you know.
Yeah, no problem.
No, you're good. Just the passenger side one. You just stay in the car for now.
Okay.
Take a look at your license.
I think it's under her name or my name. I can't remember which one it's registered under, but
It looks like it's maybe your wife, Sindoni. Is that
yeah,
your
it's my
girlfriend or what?
woman. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, you're all good. You said no alcohol tonight?
No, hell no. I don't drink.
Okay. I smell something fruity. What's that? Is that?
I don't know. Probably my Pepsi or something.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
You gotta take a look at your eyes real
Absolutely.
quick. Absolutely. You don't mind?
Nope.
I'm
Go
just
on.
looking for impaired drivers.
Oh yeah, I don't take those tests.
You don't?
No.
Why not?
I just don't. I don't take tests, sir.
Okay. Well, I'm asking you. I'm trying to make sure you're okay to drive your vehicle. Right?
Yeah. No, I understand. I don't take tests though.
Okay. Why not?
I just don't. It's no disrespect to you.
No, I am performing an investigation right now
Okay.
to make sure you're okay to drive your vehicle.
Yeah, I won't. I don't take tests, sir.
Why not?
I just don't. I mean,
Okay.
I take. I am a law student for one, and two, I just don't take tests.
All right, sit tight for me, please.
Okay.
Tell me. Thanks for coming by. So I pulled over for a headlight. I'm smelling some sort of alcoholic beverage. Smells like it's a fruity drink.
Okay.
From inside his vehicle. So I could check his eyes in his vehicle to see if he's willing to perform any sort of test. He goes, no, I didn't do tests.
He's not doing any tests.
I want to see if you get the same odor when you go up there.
Okay.
See what you
I'm
think.
gonna go get my flash.
Sure. A0316. You mind heading up this way as well? If you get that order too, I observed him with glassy, watery eyes.
Okay.
So he's coming here to get food, but I just want you to see if you get the same clues that I'm getting.
How we doing tonight, sir? Where are you coming from now?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer any questions?
No, I'm
Why?
not.
Why is that?
Because he's trying to give me tests and he's accusing me of drinking.
No, I just asked you a question, sir, to perform sobriety
I
test.
understand, sir.
I'm conducting an investigation right now.
I don't drink for number one.
Okay.
And you're asking me if I've been drinking, sir.
Right.
I don't drink.
Okay, I don't know that. I never met you before.
Well,
It's just an investigation to make sure you're safe to
No.
drive, alright? That's all it is.
I understand, sir, but
Okay.
I don't answer questions. It's no disrespect, but at all, you know what I'm saying, at all.
I understand, yeah.
Senegal unit told you for your
I'm
safety,
coming here to
Sheriff's
get
Department
dinner
out
for my
domestic
family.
violence.
And, no offense, but I feel like you're
All
kind
units
of
over.
coming on a little
No,
strong.
I'm just doing my job, sir.
And just because a vehicle smells fruity,
No, a fruity alcoholic beverage, like I stated to you,
yeah,
sir.
well,
You also have watery and glassy eyes.
Of
Another,
course,
another,
sir.
another sign of
And
intoxication.
I have sinuses, I have
Okay.
allergies, I also have asthma.
Okay.
as well.
Okay. Does that cause your eyes to get watery
It
and
does,
glassy?
yes, sir. Absolutely.
Because I also have asthma.
Absolutely. Sinuses done. Yes. Sir.
Okay.
But
Alright.
you have no issue. If you're not drinking tonight, there's no issues taking a test.
I don't take tests, sir. I just don't do it. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Do you have a supervisor?
I'm a supervisor on scene.
Do you have a supervisor?
I'm the supervisor working right now.
Okay. Do you have one available?
No, I don't. I'm the supervisor right now, sir, of the shift.
Okay.
I'm asking you to exit to make sure you're okay to drive right now.
I'll exit, sir. I'm not gonna just not obey.
And I appreciate that.
You want me to exit?
I want you to exit to make sure you're okay to drive.
You give me a command.
I'm giving you a law order to exit your vehicle
Yes,
to make
sir.
sure you're okay to drive.
Yes,
all right.
sir.
That's all I'm doing.
You want my wallet?
You don't need your wallet or anything.
Again, I'm not taking any tests, sir. So I don't know what you're. You okay to put this in my? Is this okay?
You're nothing on you?
That's
Nothing?
fine.
Mind if I get
No,
you put
sir.
back down for
I
weapons
do
or anything?
mine. Yes, sir. I don't.
Well,
I
it's going to be an
don't-
officer safety check.
I don't comply.
It's just going to be put back down for our safety. That's all it is.
If you have to do it,
I'm not going to hold anything.
no,
Okay.
go ahead. If you have to do it, this is embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing.
I
It's for
run
our
a
safety, sir.
business. I run a local business.
I'm not.
This
There's nothing
is-
against you. If you get out of the
this
car,
is-
I just want to make sure this is your wallet. That you put your wallet in. Okay.
I don't answer questions, sir.
I'm just double checking for officer safety.
No.
So, what I'm asking here is if you had any alcoholic beverages tonight. I'm getting clues of
I answered
intoxication.
your question, sir.
I
I do
understand
not
that.
drink. If you're
Okay.
getting any clue of intoxication, you need to go back to school.
I've been a cop for 8 years. I know what signs of
Sir,
intoxication
I'm
are.
being honest with you.
Okay. Well, I don't know that. I never
Okay.
met you
Well,
before.
I'm being honest with you.
People have told me a lot of things in the past.
Great.
All right.
No.
So what I want to do is check your eyes to make
I'm
sure you're
not,
okay to drive.
absolutely not doing that, sir.
Would you be willing to walk for me?
No, absolutely. Absolutely not.
Okay.
I
Why
can't
is that?
believe that you think I...
No, if you had nothing to drink tonight, this would show that you had nothing to drink.
Sir, I'm not doing that.
Why is that?
Because I do not. I've been through law school and everything else. I do not comply.
You don't comply with the lawful order?
Sir, I've answered your question.
All right. What I'm giving you is a lawful. I'm giving you an
sir,
order.
I'm telling you, you're giving me an order to take a test.
I'm advising you to take sobriety tests to make sure you're okay to
Sir,
drive your
I
vehicle.
will not take a test. No
Okay.
disrespect.
We're not trying to disrespect you either.
You are, because you
no, sir.
keep asking me multiple times.
Sir, we have a job to do. Okay. That's all it is. It's no disrespect towards
I've
you.
answered your question.
We get
sir.
lied to
I will
every
not
day.
take any tests. I will not, and it's no disrespect. I have a lot of friends that's law enforcement. You know what I'm saying? I would not disrespect in that way.
We
Right.
appreciate
It's
that.
just
We're not
I do
disrespecting
not
you either.
take tests. I do not. In fact, I've dealt with you before previously.
Recall when I
I
dealt
was
with
in
you.
Rittmer Lane before you came to my house and asked me a bunch of questions.
Okay.
Also, you know, and again.
Oh, was
I
that
felt
about
like,
was that the Uber thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I do
Yes,
recall
sir.
you there. Okay.
And I was more than respectful.
I know
to
you were,
was I
and
not?
I appreciate
I'm a
your
little
cooperation.
nervous because here I am at Burger King, getting dinner for my family.
Right.
You know, and I get nervous when I speak to cops because I just
We're just here to do our job. We're not here to.
get it. But you
Not
pulled
to-
me
yeah.
over for a headlight.
That's correct.
Okay.
Yep.
Now you're pushing it.
I'm not pushing you. I'm just doing an investigation.
You're
right now.
claiming fruity alcohol. You're saying something that smells fruity. So
A fruity alcoholic
there's a million
beverage.
things. I deliver groceries for Walmart, so maybe
Like I
something
also said,
slipped
you have
out, you know
you
what
have
I'm saying?
watery and glassy eyes. That's a
Okay.
sign of intoxication.
Many people have that, sir.
Okay. Well, I don't know. I never.
Just because somebody has glossy eyes doesn't mean anything.
Yes, it's a sign from our training and experience.
Okay.
It's a sign of
and I'm-
intoxication.
Okay. Well. Okay. So what are you gonna do with this, sir?
Just sit tight with this
Yeah,
guy real
absolutely.
fast.
Absolutely.
I'm with them.
No, I get it. I'm all for it. That's that shit.
All right, man. There's no disrespect between me and you.
I
I'm just
understand, sir. I-
doing my job.
Yes, sir.
You
I
don't
do.
want to perform tests,
No, sir.
which I understand. You don't have to if you choose not to.
And again, it's no disrespect.
Yeah, no,
it's just
understood.
that I know my rights.
Right. Understood. Understood. So I'm gonna write you a ticket for the headlight. Okay.
Okay,
Do
sir.
you mind just stepping back in your car for me, please,
Absolutely.
so I can get that going? Just hop back in the front. Hop back in the driver's seat.
I just want to back. It's so weird. 'Cause I just literally replaced that one back leg.
Right. Okay.
Shit.
Well, you can do that. You can go
Not-
home. You can get inside. You can
Yeah,
stay
it
at home.
wasn't too long ago.
Okay.
So yeah,
There'll be a fix-it ticket for the headlight, and then
Okay.
you'll have until Monday to get it fixed on.
till Monday.
Yeah, because it's
Okay.
usually the next business day. But
Now, what do I do with that? Do I bring it
Just-
to the sheriff or not sheriff?
You can go.
to the-
Literally, you can go to any you can go to a mechanic to sign off on it.
Okay.
A law enforcement officer. There's
You're gonna write me a
instructions.
ticket just for that? For real?
We're doing traffic enforcement tonight.
You cut me out here all this time. You're gonna write me a ticket
Doing
for that?
doing traffic enforcement, sir.
All right, buddy. What's your name, sir?
Sergeant McLean.
Do you have a card?
I do have a card. It'll be on the, my name will be on the ticket as well.
All right, sir. I
All right,
appreciate
just give me a
it.
moment, please.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
I was calling to see if we could do a possible obstruction charge for not wanting to provide submit the standard field sobriety test. You can't do an obstruction charge.
Kept backing away from me, so I don't.
So did you get? I got a whiff of like a fruity alcoholic beverage.
In the car.
Yeah, that's the odor I was getting from the vehicle, which is what I explained to him. And then his eyes were glassy and watery.
And then I couldn't, like, he kept backing away from me when I was trying to talk to him.
Right. Okay.
But he wouldn't, like, I couldn't get a strong
He's
enough.
also steadying himself on the hood of the car. He was talking to us. He kept touching it.
But his eyes were glassy and watery.
All right, sir. So you got a citation for inadequate headlight.
Okay.
So, you wanted to speak to a supervisor of mine. So
Okay.
I notified my lieutenant on the phone.
Okay.
He's aware of what's going on.
Perfect. Thank you.
So I can't determine if you're okay to drive or not.
Mm-hmm.
So you refused the sobriety test.
Yes, sir.
I told you you have signs from my training experience of intoxication.
Yes, sir.
You have slowed, mumbled speech.
Mm-hmm.
You have watery and glassy eyes.
I know
All
what
right.
you said, sir.
Okay, and I
Yes,
smell
sir.
an odor of an alcoholic beverage emanating from inside the vehicle.
Okay.
So I don't know if
Yes,
you can
sir.
drive or not. So you're gonna have to call someone to pick you up to drive.
Okay.
Understood? So that's what.
Okay. You want me to call someone right now?
That's correct.
What am I gonna do with this vehicle? Leave it here overnight?
I will let them know it can stay here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Let's do that. Sounds good.
So that's issue your,
All right, sir.
your license.
All right.
You wanted a business card as well, you said?
I do. Yeah.
So
I'll grab my phone.
that's fine. Like I said,
Oh, that's all right. We can play this game.
I'm not playing any games,
Oh,
sir.
sir, you're being very disrespectful. I will file a complaint.
I've never been disrespectful
Sir,
to you.
you are being
this,
very
This is all
disrespectful.
recorded on body
You
camera.
have pushed this above over a
I have not, sir.
Okay.
This is all recorded on body camera.
Excellent. I appreciate that.
No problem.
I have it all recorded as well, sir.
That's fine.
I guess that's it then. Yeah,
All
just
right,
give me
I'm
your
gonna
number.
give you. Yep. Here's the contact
Card.
number.
You have a card too, sir?
Here's a citation. You have a court date of August 14th at 12 p.m. in the Town Center
Right.
Falls Court.
Yes, sir.
For the correction ticket, you have to get it corrected by Monday
I will. Yes, sir.
and have it signed off by a mechanic or a police officer. Okay.
You got it. Yes, sir.
Here's my business card right here, sir.
All
Here's
right.
the citation. Like I said, my lieutenant's been made aware of the
Your
situation.
Lieutenant, what's his name?
Lieutenant Clear.
Clear. Yes, sir.
He's
okay.
made aware of the situation.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions for us, sir?
That's it.
All right. Have a good rest of your night.
He stops the man just for a small headlight issue but acts like it's a big crime. Instead of talking politely, he starts assuming that the man is doing something wrong. When he smells something fruity, he doesn't even check properly and immediately thinks it's alcohol. That shows poor judgment and no professionalism. The man stays calm and explains everything, but the officer keeps forcing him to take a test he doesn't need. His tone gets rude, and he forgets that respect should come first in his duty. He ignores the man's rights and keeps pushing him without any real reason. Instead of keeping peace, he creates tension. This moment clearly shows how some officers misuse their power and forget the real meaning of justice. That's why you must know your rights, because only then can you protect yourself and handle situations like this.